You send invitations and people still ask where the place is. The address is written clearly, but guests open maps, type it by hand, and sometimes end up in the wrong spot. That small problem can make your business look less professional than it really is. This is exactly where Canva can help you, and the fix takes only a few minutes. You are going to add a clickable business location link directly inside your invitation. When someone taps the address, Google Maps opens instantly. Start inside Canva. Open Canva and search for an invitation design. Any style works, whether it is for an opening event, a birthday, a meeting, or a business launch. Choose a template you like and open it for editing. Templates already include an address text box, which saves time and keeps the layout clean. Click once on the address text. Replace the sample address with your real business location. Use the full address, including street name and city. Short addresses sometimes confuse map apps, so clear details matter here. Keep the text readable and simple. Fancy fonts look nice, but clear fonts work better for addresses. Now, create a Find Us Here section, then highlight the text with your mouse. Look at the top toolbar and find the small chain icon. This is the link button. Click it. A small box opens asking for a link. Open Google Maps in another tab. Search for your exact business name or address. Make sure the pin shows the correct place. This step is important because a wrong pin sends guests to the wrong door. Once the location looks right, copy the link from the browser bar. Go back to Canva and paste that Google Maps link into the link box. Click Apply or Done. That is it. Your address text is now clickable. To make sure everything works, download the invitation as a PDF standard file. This format keeps links active and works on phones and computers. Open the downloaded file and click the address. Google Maps should open right away. If it opens, the job is done correctly. This works so well because most people read invitations on their phones. A clickable link saves time and removes stress for the guest. It also shows that your business pays attention to small details. Many people skip this step and only write the address, but links create a better experience. Before sharing the invitation, double-check spelling and spacing. Small text mistakes can break trust. Also avoid placing the address over busy backgrounds because links need to be easy to tap. Now you know how to turn a simple address into a smart location link. Your invitations feel more professional, your guests arrive faster, and you stay in control of the experience. Canva gives you the tools, and now you know exactly how to use them.